Boom! What up? It's your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer! Welcome to a new video. Today's topic is mouth taping. What is mouth taping, one may ask? Well, you tape your mouth, obviously. But what it is good for? Mouth taping at night prevents you from mouth breathing. And this should also improve the quality of your sleep. There are no studies supporting the benefits of mouth taping. But I don't need to be a doctor, I don't need to be a scientist, a professor to know that if I tape my mouth, I can't breathe through my mouth. That's for sure. And from personal experience, I can say that mouth breathing at night is prevented by micropore tape. Why are we using micropore tape and not some kind of flex tape? At first I used flex tape when I wasn't aware of the benefits of micropore tape. The stickiness is far too great, and when I took it off in the morning, I didn't take it off carefully, like you should, but instead it was like I was starting a chainsaw, and then I hurt my skin. To protect your skin, you want to apply coconut oil before you put the micropore tape over your mouth. Also, you don't want to take a full stripe and completely cover your mouth like this. Cut a small stripe off and apply it like this. The benefit of micropore tape is that it has very small holes and you could still breathe through this micropore tape. You won't suffocate, but a small stripe is enough. Also, mentally, it feels better to know that if there was an emergency, you could take it off very easily. Less is more sometimes. And it really prevents mouth breathing. I haven't had an issue when I applied micropore tape on my mouth. So try it out yourself. You just need a scissors, you need micropore tape and coconut oil. There you go. Maybe you want to start very slowly with a very small stripe. I like to sleep half an hour after lunch. Maybe you could start there and see how you feel, because the mental barrier for many people is a huge burden. But in my opinion, it's great. I use it every night and I can definitely recommend it to keep you safe from mouth breathing, because mouth breathing will make you ugly, will make you weak, your teeth will look crooked. If you mouth breathe, your chin will melt, it will run away from you. Never mouth breathe if you can avoid it. That's it for the video, guys. When you have any more questions, write them in the comments. I'm your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer, and we'll see us in the next video.